shit, they've only just done that. They're still getting out. These guys have a handle on it. Oh my word.
You just drifted straight across.
Wait. I knew he was going to do that. She wants something like fish and chips later.
We'll get stuck in town in a minute. Lane 1 and 2 go to the airport.
Oh, bloody hell.
Wait till that. Didn't even need to change lanes anyway.
It should be fine.
Yeah, I think so. I don't think it is.
Sorry, there's some dickhead moving out into my lane to overtake nothing. Let's go to just go all the way across there.
No! You wanker!
Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, it should move a bit. No. Dickhead. So that's what the horn sounds like. Yes. I bet she pays £40 a year for insurance as well.
I reckon this guy isn't going to turn right. I think he's going to shoot straight ahead. What do you think, audience? If you said straight ahead, you'd be right. Congratulations, have 10 points. Why would you cut the corner like that? A f***ing dickhead.
The band's cancelled because Barclays is involved. Yeah.
And you wanted that lane anyway? Yep, broken down disco. Nothing unusual to see here.
I mean, seriously, his fiance was about to go on holiday when the phone rang. So actually, she has a few more quid to spend in Menorca now. Plus, Tom will pay some bills and buy his son a new van. Straight after the call. Nice. Text Rock to 641.
Don't know if I trust to say it though.
I know.
And why is this thing not all the way over? Stephen! Stephen! Told you I didn't trust to say it.
What, are you putting your fucking hand up at me?
Fucking lane! Take the right fucking lane! You were in the wrong lane! Sorry.
I love it.
Stick my head out the window. You're in the wrong fucking lane, mate.
Who remembers the Lancia Thema? Who even remembers that there was a handful that were classed 832 with, yep, Ferrari engine. And they went up for a 1953 Ford F100, only 22.5 grand. And then of course we have this Lancia Thema 832 I featured a couple of weeks back. And very 1990s Range Rover. 1964 Ford Falcon, which of course provided the running gear for the first Mustangs. Early hard-top coupe Ford Mustang. In 1966 vintage. Well, we don't see many of these around anymore. Well, we never saw many of them in the first place.
That's a wonderfully designed window.
Yes.
Entering average speed check zone.
A lot of people use Apple
Entering average speed check zone.
Walk nowadays, and so they help their channel. Like when you don't
Entering average speed check zone. Entering average speed check zone.
really need
Are
it,
you
it's
okay
not
there?
justified. It's not